Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at 3 things you would be doing or that you would have done that's going to prevent you from getting cybersecurity internships in 2026. I'm also going to be showing you 3 actionable steps that you can take or follow that's going to guarantee you get cybersecurity internships in the year 2026. Why should you listen to me? Because I've had multiple cybersecurity internship proposals to me, something like this and this in the past year, and I've also helped a couple of students, my friends, to check their cybersecurity CVs, something like this. Like just imagine. So yeah, let's get into the video. So as the video proceeds, I'm going to show you how you can apply to a particular internship, like immediately. You can literally pick up your PC and then apply right now, but that's going to be at the end of the video. So now, one of the reasons why you're not going to get internships in the year 2026, which we all claim is going to be our year, is because your network is actually poor. You don't network. You don't have people in your network on LinkedIn that can actually tell you, Alpha, get this, apply to this. You don't network properly. One of my internship was through my network. Like someone told me apply to this and I applied and then I got it. So imagine I didn't network with that person and then my network was poor. That would have been out of it. I wouldn't have that internship at all. Do you understand? So like that is the first reasons why you are not going to get internships. If you are not networking purposefully, and I'm not telling you to go into people's DM and start writing to them and saying, no, I'm not telling you to be that sort of a person. I'm telling you to network purposefully. So secondly, the problem you are going to have, or the problem you have, is based on the fact that you are solving the wrong problem. Now take for example, you are looking to get into the SOC domain. So those people that security operations center, those people that protect, that monitor basically, and then you are doing projects that are focused towards the attack domain, pen testing, bounty, bug bounties. Like you are not basically doing what you should, so you are not going to get what you are meant to get. So you are focusing your energy on the wrong aspect. You need to look for projects that will be focused towards what you want. And then those projects need to solve a problem. I do say this, your projects need to solve a problem. For example, someone in the web testing, this is like a bonus. Someone in the web testing domain, you should create maybe a tool that would automatically scan a website to check for vulnerabilities on those websites, check the header of the website and all those stuff. That's going to make your CV, your profile, or your application more interesting to the recruiters. So for the third one, which I should have made the first one because it is actually very basic, is you are going to fail in getting cybersecurity internships because you think getting cybersecurity internships is about having certifications, security plus. You're waiting to have all those certifications before you apply to internship, and you are wrong, because internships is to help you create experience and understand how the industry actually works. It is not about you waiting to get certifications to now go to start applying for them. No, you need to start applying. All they need to see is your willingness to learn, and your desire, your passion, your POP rather, proof of passion. Those are like your projects and all those stuff that's going to like make you hireable for an internship role. So yeah, you shouldn't wait to have certifications. You should like just go get into applying for internships, and then with the right HR, you're going to get the internship. Let's get into 3 things you need to do to get internships in the year 2026. So the first of them all, which is your CV. Your CV is going to be the first point of contact to you. A lot of HRs use filters now. They filter out words, filter out certain certifications. So if you don't have certain certifications, they might like just remove you. So yeah, that can be scary because you might have to like tailor your CV to a lot of job descriptions and all those stuff. But then, in as much as there are a lot of domains in cybersecurity, and I can't tell you this is the type of CV you should have, because with the difference in the domain comes difference in the CV and the requirements for all the domains. A SOC CV is going to be different from a penetration testing CV, and it will be different from a GRC CV. So now, what should you do? this is where AI comes in. You can use AI to thoroughly critique your CV for it to like rate you. You can use ATS also, like a scoring system to actually check your wordings, placements, and all those. But then primarily use AI to critique your CV. I did that for one of my friends, and then I had this result. So take a look at it. I actually scored this CV very, very poorly, and then that was like the reason why my guy hasn't been having like a lot of callbacks. So number one you need to fix is fixing your CV. Now for the second step you need to take, it is networking. Now I call it purposefully networking or purposeful networking. You need to use the power of social media to your advantage. You need to be in the face of people. There's this thing that happens when you are in the face of people. It is an action whereby they can't control it, but they remember you. They unconsciously like remember you. It has happened to me whereby I was like always posting and writing about what I'm learning, and then unconsciously or involuntarily, my mentor remembered that there's this boy that was always writing and posting. So it has happened to me, and I'm telling you to do it. And that's part of like your networking. Make sure you write about your journey, you document, you make posts. LinkedIn is a good mine. LinkedIn is a good mine. I promise you that. I am a living testimony for that. So network purposefully. Look for professionals already working where you want to work. Connect with them. Have conversations with them, but don't start bugging people and messaging people. Like, I'm not in support of that. So yeah, that's the second one. Let's go into the third one. So for the third and final one, this is actually like a lot because I want to like put everything in my head into this third one. So it is like a combo. So just take it like a gift, a new year gift from me to you, from mine to yours. So the third one is you need to skill stack. If you are choosing defensive, make sure everything you are doing is tailored towards that domain. If you are choosing offensive, make sure everything you are doing, all your projects are tailored towards that. If it is GRC, do that. Do you understand? Now, I'm going to give this advice. If you are going to create projects or work on projects, make sure those projects are projects that would solve a problem for your particular domain. Like I said earlier, creating like a web analysis tool that tests the website for vulnerabilities and all those stuff. If you do that and then a hiring manager sees that on your project or your GitHub, they are going to look at you differently from every other application because you're already solving a business problem, and that's going to make you much more valuable than every other person. And then you are there's a high probability you are going to get a call back from that HR. But I said I was going to show how you could quickly like apply for a cybersecurity internship, a remote cybersecurity internship at the end of the video. I've gotten to that part. Hopefully you waited, and then let's get into it immediately. So first things first, you go to LinkedIn. I'm going to show you two ways you can actually do it. First, you are going to use the power of LinkedIn, and then you search Moz Cybersecurity. I don't know how to pronounce the name. Moz Cybersecurity Institute. Then you go here. You can try to message them, follow them, try to message them from here or through their comments. So I have done like an internship here. Or better still, you can send them a mail. This was the mail I sent them some months back, last year. I'm going to leave their email address here, so you should see it somewhere here. So you can send an email to them that you want to go through their internship program, and yeah, you should be good to go with that. So now I've come to the end of the video. One of the things you need to do, because you have everything you need now, you have all the knowledge, start applying to internships. Look for internships around you, apply to them, see what they want. If there's like a skill gap between what you know and what the internships around you are asking for, then you have things you need to learn. And as soon as you are learning, keep applying. Don't wait till you are done learning. Keep applying. So if this video has been helpful to you, smash the like button, subscribe. A lot of you that watch the videos, you guys are not subscribed. Why? Just subscribe, man. Chills. I mean, what am I saying? Just subscribe. So yeah, share the video to someone that you know that's been grinding cybersecurity, ethical hacker, someone that's been posting I'm an ethical hacker on your timeline, maybe on WhatsApp or anywhere. Share it to them, let them know they can get internships, and then paid internships, unpaid internships, remote internships, on-site internships. Which one of it, or whichever, you can get it with this blueprint. So yeah, we've come to the end of the video. I'll see you later. Remember, because it is safe doesn't mean it is secure. Cheers.